Hello, boys and girls. This is Science Elvis again, here to bring you this week's lesson. The topic for this week is going to be pollution. And we're going to watch a little video today called the Lorax. And it's not the new video from the 2000s. It's the video from 1972. And it's actually the better version of the two. And it's only, 25 minutes or something. I don't know how bit long it is. It's less than 30 minutes because it was a TV special. That's what it was. It was from 1972. A lot of times we get the idea that people in previous generations didn't care about the environment. But looking at this video, you can tell that it's true. At least Dr. Seuss cared about it. And in 1970, President Nixon and the people, the representatives from that time, they got together and formed the EPA, which stands for Environmental Protection Agency. And so, they cared at least a little bit, and the pollution started improving after that. The cleaning up the pollution improved after that. So you can tell people from previous generations really cared a lot. It's just like people from other polluted countries, they care too. It's not nobody likes walking around in pollution all the time and breathing all that stuff in. Nobody likes that. So of course they cared about it, and they formed these government programs to help stop it. And the Clean Water Act was around that time too, as well. So today's lesson, we're going to be talking about the Lorax, and there's two words that you're going to have to learn today: anthropocentric and ecocentric. And anthropocentric is when a person who thinks that all of the resources are meant for people, and we should use all those resources to our greatest benefit. An ecocentrist is someone who thinks that we should consider nature first and not care so much about what we need. So when we talk about natural resources, an ecocentrist would probably want to just leave most of them there, or get those resources in the least polluting way, and the way that harms nature the least. And anthropocentric wouldn't care so much about that stuff as long as it benefits man. A lot of countries, they had the idea that they're going to strip the earth of those natural resources, make a whole lot of money, and then use that money to try to fix the problem again. So that's another way of thinking about it. But I don't know. I think most people would probably fit in the middle of like a redneck and a hippie. Nobody's like that extreme on either end. Nobody that I know, but a lot. Most people are probably somewhere in the middle, I would say. Oh, hey, there's a postcard from Mr. Thomas. I almost forgot about this time. Dear Science Elvis, I have once again moved locations. Oh, now what are we going to do? We might not have lessons again next week. They will never find me this time. I love this place because I get to ride a horse and have a pet eagle. It's great. Since the topic this week is pollution, I was going to tell a pollution joke, but I can't because it's too dirty. Ha ha. No, I don't get it. Love, Mr. Thomas. P.S. Here's a clue. The population of this country is below the population of China. So, all right, we're never going to find him this time. I don't know what we're going to do. I'm just the Science Elvis, teaching science and stuff. I'm the Science Elvis of love. Not just any kind of love, but love of science.